Hey everybody, welcome to week 12. We are going to get started by, of course, checking out your course schedule. So make sure that you have this all printed up and ready to go. And we will get started here. This is a lighter week than usual because we are in the heat of writing our persuasive essays. So here are your Writer's Notebook daily writing prompts for the week. One thing is you're going to be looking at your brain dump and you're going to think about the place where it looks a little bit skimpy, that you'd like to add some stuff, or something that you would like to work out. And you're going to do a satellite writing here on the discussion board to develop that idea, add some depth, maybe add some style in there, some figurative language, some rhetorical devices, spiff it up a little bit. So just focus on one part. The next thing is to try and boil down your argument into a tweet. That kind of helps a little bit. And put that tweet here. I thought that might be kind of fun. And then share your claim. How did you discuss and how did you feel about it? Has it changed? Do you anticipate it changing as you work on this? That's just a little discussion about claims. And if you do the voice thread on writing a claim, before you do that, that will be a really easy thing for you to do. Then share your favorite sentence that you've composed so far and tell me why you're proud of it. And then, of course, you have your choice every week, right? All right, so let's take a look at Monday. Monday, you are going to be doing a voice thread on academic language, which focuses on patterns of organization and transitional phrases. This is a quick and dirty look at organization. It's a whole unit when I teach reading, so hopefully your reading teachers are going over that in a little bit more depth than I do. This is the only presentation I'm giving you on that, so if this is something that's confusing to you, please don't hesitate to ask for a conference or to talk to me about it, because we can definitely talk more about it. Now, on Tuesday, you have another voice thread, and this voice thread is about composing a claim, which is what I just talked about when we were talking about your daily writing. I would definitely do this voice thread first and then go ahead and do your daily writing, because you might just do it during the voice thread. Just a little hint for you. All right, so that is going to be your Tuesday job. And then I don't have anything on Wednesday except for daily writing. So you can get started on this on Wednesday if you want to. But this is your Thursday, is you're going to be doing your next draft 2. And I just want to reiterate that draft 2 is the draft that I print out and write all over and give you a whole lot of feedback. So the farther you can get in your draft, the more finalized you can get your draft by Friday, the better it will be, because then your feedback will be even more helpful. We do have another third draft that we will be doing next week, so that it won't be your final draft, so you'll still have a little revision left. But I would definitely take your time with this. I'm giving you a lot more time this week. You only have 2 voice threads. One is kind of a regular length and one is super short. So I think you're going to have enough time to spend on your persuasive essay. I also posted, excuse me, I also posted the grading sheet. So that's right here, the grading sheet. So I would definitely take a look at what I'm going to be looking at when I grade your persuasive essay. I also just posted in the Thursday folder the video that I already posted. You've already watched this, but this is just a great time to take this as a reminder of how you do your MLA Works Cited page. And at the beginning of this video, I also go over how you format your paper in MLA formation, right? MLA format. I have a sample paper that I posted. This is right from the OWL. So this is not really anybody's paper or anything. It just looks at format and it gives you a whole bunch of information in the margins of how to format your paper. And then of course, here's the grading sheet here. And then the assignment folder that you're going to be handing in your draft to. All right, so that is Thursday. And then of course, Friday is just never a day without a line, one more entry there. So that is your whole week. It is not that much, so I'm expecting you to spend the time that I'm giving you writing your paper and polishing your paper and making it as good as you can possibly make it, so when it comes in as draft 2, I can help you the most. All right, if you would like to request a conference with me, please feel free to do that. I love talking to you about your papers. I love clarifying your ideas with you. That is my favorite part of my job, so do not hesitate to ask for a conference. Just email me and set up a time with me. I am more than happy to meet with you. So I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you on the next presentation.